Leena's Day. Hello. My name is Leena, and I live in London. I am 7 years old. I have a small family. My father works in an office, and my mother is a teacher. I also have a little brother. His name is Sam. He is 3 years old. Let me tell you about my day. Morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun is shining through my window. I stretch my arms and say, "Good morning, world." Then I get out of bed and brush my teeth. I like my pink toothbrush. It has a picture of a bunny on it. After brushing, I wash my face and comb my hair. My hair is long and brown. I like to tie it with a blue ribbon. It looks pretty. Now it's time for breakfast. My mom makes pancakes. I love pancakes with honey and bananas. My brother likes pancakes too, but he puts chocolate syrup on his. We sit at the table and eat together. My dad drinks coffee and reads the newspaper. School time. At 8:30, it's time to go to school. I put on my school uniform. It's a blue dress with white socks and black shoes. I also wear my school bag. It has books, a lunchbox, and a water bottle. My mom walks with me to the bus stop. The yellow school bus comes, and I wave goodbye to her. At school, I meet my friends. My best friend's name is Anna. She sits next to me in class. We study math, English, and science. My favorite subject is art. Today, we draw pictures of animals. I draw a big elephant. My teacher says, "Good job, Leena." That makes me happy. Lunch break. At 12:30, it's lunchtime. I open my lunchbox. My mom packed a sandwich, an apple, and some cookies. Anna and I sit under a big tree in the playground. We eat and talk about our favorite cartoons. After lunch, we play on the swings. It's so much fun. Afternoon. After lunch, we have music class. Our teacher plays the piano, and we sing songs. My favorite song is "Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star." Then we read a storybook. The story is about a brave cat who saves his friends. At 3 o'clock, the school bell rings. It's time to go home. I get on the bus and wave to my friends. Evening. When I get home, my mom gives me a glass of milk and some crackers. I sit at the table and do my homework. It's easy today. I write about my favorite animal. I choose a dog because I love dogs. After homework, I play with Sam. We build a tower with his blocks. But Sam knocks it down, and we both laugh. Dinner and bedtime. At 7 o'clock, it's dinner time. My mom makes spaghetti. It is delicious. We all sit together and talk about our day. My dad tells a funny joke, and we all laugh. After dinner, I take a warm bath. Then I wear my pajamas. My mom reads me a bedtime story. Tonight, it's about a princess and a dragon. I close my eyes and imagine I am the princess. At 9 o'clock, I say, "Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad." I lie in my bed and fall asleep. This is my day. What about you? What do you do every day? This story is designed to make English learning fun and interactive for kids and beginners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English learning stories and lessons.